In this video, we will show you how to create a professional business flyer using just PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to the Design tab, click Slide Size and select A4. This gives you the perfect print-friendly layout. Select the rectangle shape from the Shape menu. Remove the outline by clicking Shape Outline. Now, apply a gradient fill and adjust the color by selecting the gradient stops. Duplicate the shape and enlarge it to build a layer background effect. Choose the freeform shape and draw a custom shape for design essence. Remove the outline, change the fill color and dip it to create other stylish elements. Select a flowchart shape to create a simple logo. Duplicate it, change the color and group them together. Insert a text box, change the font and color and increase the size. Add your title like business flyer here at the top. Insert your image and send to back so it sits behind the text and shape. Take another flowchart shape, drag it to the bottom. Rotate left 90, then flip vertically. Change the color and remove the outline. Add another freeform shape for balance. Add business information like contact details and services using text boxes. Now, click Slideshow to preview your design. And there you have it, a clean professional business flyer made entirely in PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. And if you want the editable file, the link is in the description below.